Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can generate amazing video ads inside Claude just by adding the Higgsfield MCP with that. You will not believe me, I generated these amazing video ads inside Claude, but I only uploaded the product images to Claude and Claude has done the rest of the things. And today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can also start to use this amazing feature inside your Claude. But before that, just take a look at these amazing video ads that Claude has generated for me.
Yeah, this is the one.
So first of all, in here we have to add the Higgsfield with our Claude, and to do that, you can see I'm in my Claude desktop application, and from here I'll go to the customization, and then I'll go to the connectors, and after that I'll go to the plus, and then I'll go with add custom connector, and after that I'll go with add custom connector. And here you can see that we have to give the name and also the remote MCP server URL. In the place of name, I'll go with Higgsfield. And in the place of remote MCP server URL, I'd given the link in the description. So basically you have to come to this website, higgsfield.ai/MCP. And here you will find the Claude MCP URL, basically this one. I'll go with copy that. And then I'll paste that exactly in here. Then I'll go with add. And after that, if you're using the Higgsfield for the first time, make sure you create an account just by coming to this website, higgsfield.ai. And also I've given the link in the description. And after creating the account, you have to simply go with connect, and it will ask for the permission to connect the Claude with your exact account. In this case, I'll go with allow. And I can see in here it's saying connected to the Higgsfield. And if I go to the Higgsfield section, and in here I'm going with always allow to all of the tools. For the interactive tools, always allow. For the read-only tools, again always allow. So what's gonna happen, it will not ask for permissions every time before doing any task. So now you just saw that how you can connect the Higgsfield with the Seedance 2.0. And if I talk about the possibilities, you can do a bunch of things. For example, you can do stuff with images, videos, or audio. But today's video, I want to specifically work on the video generation, why I want to use the Seedance 2.0 model to generate the video ads for any product. So for that, I'll go to my Claude, and then I'll give a product image. For that, I'll go with plus, and then I'll go with add photos. And here let's go with this product image. I'll go with open, and then I'll give a prompt like this. So you can see that the prompt is very detailed, and if you are not good at prompt engineering, no worries, I'll show another way where you only have to provide the product image and Claude will do the rest of the things, from doing the prompt generation to the video generation. So in here, let me show you quickly what I'm giving. At first I'm giving this product image, then I say that use Higgsfield MCP Seedance 2.0 to render this 10-second video, which will be 6:9 ratio, and the resolution will be 1080 pixel, and that's the video type. And here I described everything, and after that I have to give access to the exact folder where this exact image is located. For that, I'll go with plus, then I'll go with add folder, and here that's the folder. I'll go with select folder. Okay, then I'll go with send. So right now it will use the exact MCP, and by using this model Seedance 2.0, it will generate the 10-second video for this exact product. So after some minutes, here you can see here is the video, and let me show you just by going to this URL. Awesome. Like nobody can say that this video has been generated by just using AI, right? A single prompt and the product image. So that's the reason in here we use the Seedance 2.0, because the video generation quality is very awesome. So right now I already told you that I'm using here a skill, and that's the reason behind that to generating this kind of videos. And also if you use that skill, in that case you don't need to give any kind of prompt, you only need to give the product images. That's it. Let me show you how this thing really works. And as like the previous one, I'll go with plus again, then I'll go with add photos, and then I'll select these two images. So right now I want to generate a UGC ad for this chocolate where this person will promote this exact product. So instead of giving right now a prompt, I'll only trigger a skill. For that, I'll go with slash, and then I'll type here Higgsfield dash video dash add. That's it. So you can see that's the skill in here. I'll select that, and as you can see, I selected this skill, and then I'll go with send. So right now you just saw that I didn't give in anything, only I triggered the skill, and it's asking me the format, the aspect ratio, the duration, and also the variation, means how many ad I want to generate, and last one, the tagline. And here about the format, for this skill, Claude already saying me that UGC ad will be perfect for this product. And also if I want, I can go with like product review, but in this case I'll go with the UGC. The second thing is the aspect ratio. I want to go with 60:9, which is a horizontal video. The third one is the duration. In this case I want to go with a 10-second video, and the fourth one is the variation. I want to go with only one video instead of going 4 video, but if you want, you can request 4 videos at the same time, so it will generate 4 videos, and from those 4 videos you can choose which video you want to go with. And the last one is the tagline or hook. If you want, you can give a hook or tagline from yourself, and if you don't, then Claude will find out the best tagline for this product. So after giving the answers, I'll go with send. So right now, as like the previous one, by using the Higgsfield MCP, it will generate the complete video. By the way guys, if you need this exact skill, you'll get that inside the Hello AI community. I'd given the link in the description. And after joining in this community, if you go in the classroom section, then you'll get all of my assets for today's video. If you need the skill, you only have to go in the Claude skills section. If you open that, then you have to go to the Higgsfield video app skill, and here in the place of resources, you can download the skill. For that, go with get this skill and then go with download. And after downloading, you only have to go to your Claude and then go to the customize section, and here you have to go to the skills and then go to the plus, then go with create a skill. After that, go with upload a skill, and here you only have to upload the skill. And here you can see I already using this skill, and every time if I type Higgsfield-video-add, this skill will be activated. And after that, I don't need to give any detailed prompt. I only have to give the product images, and this skill will generate the video ad for me. So here you can see that our video is ready. Let me kind of like show you the video. Just go into this URL.
Yeah, this is the one.
How I wanted the video, it just generated in this way. Even though I didn't give in any kind of prompt, the skill basically is responsible to generate the prompt to find out the idea, which format will be the best to make the video where this character and also this product will be combined together. So I'm kind of like do another video. For that, I'll go to the Claude again, and then I'll go with this plus, then I'll go with add files or photos again, and let's go with these earphones. I'll just select that, and then as like the previous one, I'll go with slash Higgsfield video add, and here's the one I select, and then I'll go with send. So after analyzing the product image, it's referring me to going with this format, and the aspect ratio, I have to choose that, the duration between 5 to 15 seconds, variation 1 to 4, tagline. If I have, I will give. If I don't, then Claude will find out the best one. So after giving the answers, I'll go with send. So right now, by using the Higgsfield MCP, it will generate the video. And in this case, I requested for a hypermotion video. And here you can see, here's the pitch. Basically, it will show you the complete concept, like how the video will be. If you want to go with, you can go with just yes. And if you want to tweak something, you can say that, you know what, I didn't like this specific thing, or I didn't like the concept. Make another concept video, kind of like this. So let's go with go, and here you can see the video generation is in progress. Our video is ready. Let me show you by going to this link. You can also find the videos if you go to the Higgsfield, and then if you go to the exact model, in this case we're using the Seedance 2.0. If I go to the video, then go to the Seedance 2.0, and after that, if I go to the history section, you can see like all the videos are stored in here, so you don't have to worry about losing the videos. Yeah, so that's the thing. I hope like this video helped you. If yes, then please drop a like, and if you want to know about anything or any of the part you didn't understand, let me know in the comment box. I'll do my best to give you the answer as soon as possible. And as like always, see you with a new video. Till then, peace.